illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a summer shark character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and we'll get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our summer shark illustration. We are actually going to start with the shark's goggles for this illustration. So we're going to start off with a curved line that will be the top of the swim goggles. And from there we're going to create a fun shape. We're going to dip down, up, down, and back up. We're going to make these look slightly three-dimensional. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So we're going to start with the second line up top here, but we're not going to take it all the way to the edge. The line coming this way. And another one in. So that makes it look like we're looking into the goggles. And now we're going to draw an outer edge on this side. And this will help it look, like I said at the beginning, three-dimensional. And this part right here. All right, now from here we're going to draw our shark's body. So we're going to use this line that we started with here as our guideline. So we're going to retrace this, and then we're just going to continue it with a big curve here. Follow it again, up top here. And from here, we're going to bring this all the way down. And our shark is also inside of an inner tube. So we're going to draw the top curve of that. And we're going to follow that with the curve for the rest of the inner tube. One curve there. One curve there. And then we'll be connecting the two with another line. All right, and we'll see our shark's tail sticking out from within the inner tube here. All right, now we'll work on the fin here, what a shark is most famous for. There on its back. And now we're going to add the two front fins, which are more triangle shapes. One there. And one here. All right, now we get to work on our shark's face. So we're going to come back up here into our swim goggles, and we're going to do two upside down letter U's. 1 and 2. We want 2 eyebrows. And now we're going to draw the mouth of our shark. So we'll start with a little curved line there, and the goggles is going to be obscuring some of our shark's smile here. But of course, we will always make room for some shark teeth. All right, just a couple of details left. We have to add the strap for the swim goggles so that they don't fall off. So 2 little lines on that side. And the same thing over here. Now they can't fall off. And our shark's underbelly is a different color. So we're going to add 2 little lines here so that this area here can be a different color than everywhere else on our shark. And we can also add the indication of water here by just doing a couple of curved lines out in this area around our inner tube. And you can add some circles for some little bubbles if you'd like. And you can add a design onto your shark's inner tube if you'd like. I'm just going to do some stripes, but you guys can add anything that you'd like here. I'm going the stripe route. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our shark character. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and grab your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our summer shark illustration. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, there we have our summer shark characters. I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!